I couldn't tell. So there's a lot of pictures like. Should I go on to the next pose?
Posing.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah, it's actually really good too because I had Luke take a couple pictures of me on
Saturday?
Yeah, Saturday. It was like, you know what? I haven't taken any pictures since 33 weeks for Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
And I took the pictures. Like, I probably should take a couple, you know.
Oh yeah.
And then the next day I go.
That much change. It's
I know.
Good to see the final product.
Right. So I'm glad we took a couple.
Baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were looking pretty cute.
Pretty plump up front.
Yeah.
Let's get my watermelon going on.
Look at this watermelon turned out to be you.
I know. And I really was thinking that he was going to be a lot bigger than he was.
Yeah.
And they said he was only 7'12". I was like, really?
Maybe he left something in there.
Actually, when my water did break, they were like, oh, there's a little something special in there.